When you very first open Scrivener up, you will be presented with this screen here. There is an interactive tutorial that you can go through should you want to, which obviously will be very helpful to take you around some of the features of the program. There's a user manual, the Scrivener user manual. To be honest, I didn't find it the most user-friendly. There are so many features in Scrivener that sometimes you can become a little overwhelmed. And that's what happened to me, and was one of the reasons that it took me so long to actually come back to Scrivener and learn not everything that it has to offer, but just what I needed to know. And that's what's so great about this course, is you're going to learn what you need to know to actually get the job done. I am sure there's a lot more under the hood, and we will dig into some of those kind of nuances as we go forward. But honestly, when you actually get a hold of the basics of Scrivener, you'll find it a very, very easy and simple program to use, and one that does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So it will actually relieve you of headaches, not give you them, thankfully. There's some video tutorials that have been created that you can watch as well over on YouTube. And then you have these various project templates that you can begin with. Now, we're going to actually work with the blank template in the early stages of this tutorial, just because it's the cleanest and clearest one for us to work with if you're a beginner when it comes to Scrivener. But as we go forward, we will be looking at some of the other templates, particularly this template here in fiction called the novel template. These templates come with various pre-populated things within your project, pre-populated folders and chapters and different features that will actually be very useful to you as you expand your understanding of how powerful this program is and how it works. So you've got various fiction templates, non-fiction templates, a number of academic templates, script writing, poetry and lyrics, and then even a recipe collection and a persuasive lecture. This one always makes me smile. You know, I wonder what a persuasive lecture sounds like. So yeah, but for the purpose of this tutorial, and just to keep things plain and simple for you right here at the outset, we're going to choose the blank template. So if you want to go ahead and do that, just click choose. It will then ask you where you would like to save this particular Scrivener file. So we're going to save it here into our Scrivener tutorial folder, and I'm just going to call it Scriv Tutorial. And then create that. Scrivener will then go away for a moment. Don't worry, it's not disappeared, it's not broken or crashed, and it will create our new project folder, or our new Scrivener project. In the next video, I will give you a very brief overview of the elements of the Scrivener project screen as you see it here. We won't go into every detail because there's no need to do that at this stage. We can look at some of the in more detail later on in the course, but I'll give you a brief overview just so you understand what you're looking at here, and then we can actually go on to beginning to build our book or our report, our project within Scrivener itself.